today's Ford Model A Q&A.
All right, Claire.
Hi, Claire.
Claire says...
That was my grandmother's name on my dad's side.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It says, hi, Paul. My boyfriend and I love your videos. I recently acquired a 1929 Model A pickup. Nice. When we aren't driving it, it seems to be leaking gas from the carb. Any ideas or tips on what this could be? We're new to the Model A community and trying to figure stuff out.
Your fuel shutoff valve probably needs to be cleaned out, and your carburetor float valve probably needs to be cleaned out. The good news is the carburetor float valve is really easy to do. Just take the 9/16 bolt off the bottom of your Zenith carburetor. Assuming you have a stock Zenith carburetor.
True.
Take the bottom part of the carburetor off. You'll see the float hanging there, and then there's a little float valve. So take your wrench, take the float valve out, and put it back in.
Have you done a video on it?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I think I have. In one of the Gandalf videos, I think I did. I don't know. I should just show how to do that. Maybe I should just do a video.
You should.
Anyway, so clean that float valve out. That should stop the carb leak. But you still got a fuel shutoff valve and a 28 that's under the passenger side, under the gas tank. And
Would it help any if they looked at that one video you made for
Roadie? Yeah, that would help. But I actually did clean out a valve. I think it was in the Operation Hoopty series. I don't know. I should make individual little videos, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I have done it. Or you could just replace the valve, which I did in the when termite bait was here.
Oh, termite bait.
I replaced the valve, and I replaced the valve in Roadies, so you could watch that video. Tina will link to it right here.
Yeah.
Here's the
I'll
link.
put a couple of them
See?
and hope
Right
that
here.
one of them helps you.
Keep those Model A's driving for generations to come.